इजाजत ली नहीं जाती, फना होने की इजाजत ली नहीं जाती, ये वतन की मोहब्बत है जनाब, पूछ के की नहीं जाती. A very warm welcome to all the audience. I am Abhinay Sharma and my colleague Keshav Aryan from class 6B, DAV Public School, Saibabad, feel immense pleasure to wish you all a very cheerful morning and start a virtual assembly where our students are lending their hand to save our land, our motherland.
Patriot is a person who serves his motherland, and motherland is first of all the nations. We feel highly privileged to take birth on this land, which gives identity to me, you, and many people. This land is our motherland, India.
Indeed, Keshav, our India covers a very vast land from Jammu and Kashmir, having wide variety of culture and tradition. Still, we are united as a nation. But in the present circumstances, our unity and integrity is disintegrating due to the corona pandemic, which has overwhelmed the entire world, and our India has also borne the burn of the same. Our government, taking a strong stand, kept the whole country in lockdown and prepared us to fight against corona.
But this is a reality. We can't be under lockdown for a long time, as our economy would be failed due to weakened trade. Abhyuday, I am astonished by the way the corona warriors are fighting against COVID. But are we paying the same respect and gratitude to them? You must have heard about the misconduct and harassment of doctors and health workers. It is an irony that those who are our lifesavers are facing the threat to their own lives, isn't it?
Truly said Keshav, we should show a sense of solidarity and respect towards doctors, nurses, police force, health and sanitation workers, medical staff, and all the other people who are working tirelessly in this fight of corona. Friends, as we are a citizen and social being of India, we have some responsibilities towards our motherland. Our corona warriors are fighting tirelessly against corona, so it is our responsibility to fight with them and defeat corona. Let us carry forward the mashal which was handed to us by our ancestors, the mashal of progress and enlightenment. Keshav, you know, when we are sad and we are troubled, then our mind gets depressed and it gets filled with negative thoughts. But a simple positive thought can change our life. So, to enlighten our assembly, I'd like to call Bhavya Sharma from class 5B for thought of
the day. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. I repeat, people often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. Thank you.
Wow! What a wonderful thought, Keshav, isn't it?
Yeah, Abhyuday, absolutely right. A poem is a mixture of imagination and emotions, and their essence lies in the expression of emotions. So, taking that expression and emotions, Divya Pandey from class 5th B is here with a Hindi poem.
मेरा नाम दिव्या पांडे है. मैं कक्षा 5वीं बी की छात्रा. आज हम सबकी प्यारी भारत माता की महानता का वर्णन करते हुए कुछ पंक्तियां प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ. सड़कें हैं अब लावारिस, घर पर बैठा इंसान है. जहाँ खेलते थे सब बच्चे, खाली वो हर मैदान है. मंदिर और मस्जिद है बंद, खुली राशन की दुकान है. हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है. अस्पतालों में जूझ रहे सब डॉक्टर इस वक्त इंसानियत के भगवान हैं. खाकी में निकले वीर सिपाही को हर हिंदुस्तानी का सलाम है. घर में रहकर हर नागरिक दे रहा अपना योगदान है. हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है. पूरी दुनिया का दुश्मन अब एक है. पृथ्वी अब जंग मैदान है. माना कि वक्त है मुश्किल, पर इरादे अब चट्टान हैं। हौसला है फिर भी दिलों में, क्योंकि मेरा भारत महान है।
Really, very nice poem, and Divya has very well recited it. Abhyuday, to update ourselves every day, we show our awareness towards our society, nation. News makes us understand what is happening around the world. So, to enlighten us with the current affairs, here is Niti Rastogi from class 6D with latest news information.
Good morning everyone. I Niti Rastogi welcome you to the News Nation, and now let's have a look of some daily news. First, let's have a glimpse of some national news. ED to prop money laundering in Sushant case. COVID-19 effects to last decades. WHO says 6 months on. Moving to some international news. Nigerians counteract COVID-19 denialism with social media campaign. Secret trial threaten open justice in Australia. Time for some weather forecast. Maximum temperature estimated for today is 32 degrees Celsius and minimum is 27 degrees Celsius. That's all for today's news headline. Thank you and have a pleasant day ahead.
It is really wonderful, Abhyuday. I am amazed to hear the news.
I too. Keshav, I think music in itself is healing. It is a thing by which everyone gets touched by. No matter from which culture you belong, everyone loves music. It has been rightly said by Plato that music gives soul to universe, wings to mind, fight to imagination, and life to everything. Well, here we have a very talented and melodious choir to present the song Dil Hai Chhota Sa. So, here we go.
मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा
महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके है जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ू चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बादलू दुनिया दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा सी धरती खिल रही जैसे मेरा मन भी तो खिल रहा ऐसे कोयल की तरह गाने करना मछली की तरह मचलू यरमा जवानी हलाई रंगीन सपना
Without music, life will be boring.
Life is like dancing. It's not getting from one place to another. Dance enables you to find yourself and lose yourself at the same time. Alvin Ailey has very well expressed dance and said, "Dance is for everybody. I believe that the dance came from the people and that it should always be returned back to the people." So, to know the hidden language of the soul, let's move on to next performance, that is group dance by the students of our wing. Let's enjoy.
हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम, आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। शून्य में संभावना आता हमें है देखना, विश्वविद्यालय तक्षशिला विश्व को पहला मिला। शल्य सुश्रुत प्रदान है, दुनिया के लिए वरदान है। जग को हमने ही सिखाया वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। योग राम बाण है, सदियों का ये ज्ञान है। ताज अपना ताजमहल हुनर की पहचान है। जाना जग जगदीश से, पौधों में भी तो जान है। रमण ने लहरा दिया रमण प्रभाव का परचम। आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। स्वदेशी अपनाने लगे, हम विदेशी भगाने लगे। खोजों का है ये सिलसिला, जो चांद पे पानी मिला। यूएसबी भी हमने दिया, मत पूछो क्या क्या किया। हर गोविंद पे है नाज हमें, दिया डीएनए का राज हमें। देश की स्वदेश की है खोज पेंटियम। आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। आत्मनिर्भर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम। हमसे बेहतर हम बोलो वंदे मातरम।
Wow, amazing performance by the dance group. It is really appreciable.
Friends, a virtual t-shirt painting activity was organized by a wing in which some students made very marvelous t-shirt paintings. So let's have a glimpse of This shall too pass, and we will surely win against this virus, as the history says that we Indians have always overshadowed our enemies in every battle.
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Corona Warriors. Happy 74th Independence to all.
यारा यारा, पहले भी तो हजारों रातों से लड़ चुके हैं हम, धूप के परिंदे रोके कहाँ रुके हैं यारा। पहले भी तो हजारों रातों से लड़ चुके हैं हम, धूप के परिंदे रोके कहाँ